Being thoughtful or thoughtless depends on a lot of factors. Have you ever wondered why siblings who are raised in the same family and same environments and taught the same values grow up to be completely different personalities? Why is it that one sibling is super nice to not only family and friends, but even to strangers, while the other sibling is only considerate toward his or her near and dear ones? Possibly, the third one is least bothered about others and is always outright rude. This aspect of one's personality does have influences on their zodiac sign. Surprised? Don't be. Today, let's rank zodiac signs starting from the most thoughtful to the most thoughtless signs. Pisces. Have you ever had a friend who's so intuitive, understanding, and empathetic that they make you feel comfortable, loved, and cared for? Due to their high emotional quotient and selfless nature, Pisces makes an ideal friend, parent, and lover. No matter how bad the situation is, just a chat with them can rid your anxiety and stress and make you feel normal again. This is why they're considered to be one of the most thoughtful signs. Cancer. Cancer, another water sign, is the second most caring and compassionate sign. They're naturally thoughtful and are very accommodating and flexible. There are rarely any instances of confrontation from their side. Due to this nature, they make others feel safe and protected when with them. This quality makes them an excellent candidate for a career related to hospitality and caring, such as nursing or a caretaker. Libra. The polite, gracious, and charming Libras are scared to upset others, and this attitude can sometimes turn against them when it comes to standing up for themselves or what's right. This sign usually has a large group of friends due to their considerate and kind nature. Also, this very nature makes them a good diplomat. So the next time you throw a party, don't forget to take their advice on how to keep your guests happy. Leo. Leos are big-hearted, friendly, and generous. They're honest, warm, and never shy away from appreciating and encouraging others to follow their passions. However, their desire to be the center of everything and their bossy nature can sometimes cause them to do or say thoughtless things to others, which they later regret. But the evolved types who have overcome this trait turn out to be great leaders admired by many. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is born with idealism and philanthropy in their blood. They're the types who work for a cause that's related to social justice and fairness. That's why we can find so many of them giving away their service and money to charitable organizations. They're very considerate and thoughtful in that sense, but being a fire sign, their impulsive and straightforward nature can sometimes cause others to view them as rude and thoughtless. Aquarius. Aquarius signs focus is more on a collective group than a single individual. They're concerned and sympathetic toward others' needs, but they're not good at expressing them. They express them in their own unique way. This may make them appear eccentric and weird to some. However, the people close to them will know their sensitivity towards others. Scorpio. Being a water sign, Scorpio is very considerate and attentive to the emotional needs of others. But their intense and mysterious personality and suspicious and controlling nature make them look hostile and unsafe to even consider their benevolent side. This makes them appear thoughtless. Only a selected few who have been patient with them will know their deep need to be understood and also the wonderful gifts they possess that can benefit others. Capricorn. This is an often misunderstood sign. Due to Capricorn's realistic, cold, and ambitious nature, many people see them as thoughtless. Despite being aware of their behavior, their dedication to work and lack of interest to please others gets in the way. Only if people spend a good amount of time with them will they know their caring and compassionate nature. Taurus. The luxury-loving and comfort-seeking sign can confuse you with their external persona. Don't assume their gentle, calm, and composed look to be a sign of their thoughtfulness. Yes, they're helpful, kind, and accommodating, but only as long as you don't cross their boundaries and test their patience. Their philosophy is do good and receive good, so treat them well and you're safe. Virgo. The meticulous Virgo is usually nice and helpful toward others, but their perfectionist and fault-finding nature can turn others against them. Though their only intention is to help others improve and change for the better, this very habit that they're proud of makes their friends and loved ones think of them as judgmental and thoughtless. They'll witness a drastic change in their relationship with others once they learn to control their urge to unnecessarily criticize or give advice. Gemini. Being social butterflies, Geminis are very friendly and appear to be kind and sympathetic towards others. But their tendency to gossip, badmouth, and spread rumors make them thoughtless, selfish, and immature. With time, they do change this nature as they realize the repercussions of this behavior on their image and turn out to be wonderful human beings. And Aries. Though Aries are daring, risk-taking, and proactive people who love to lead others, their impulsive nature makes them appear to be the most thoughtless of all 12 signs. Their self-absorbed nature and impatience to listen to others' points of view makes them insensitive towards others' emotional need to be heard and valued. Again, as they age, they eventually learn from their mistakes and try their best to change this attitude. It doesn't matter whether you fall under the thoughtful or thoughtless sign group. What matters is your self-awareness about your own behavior towards others and yourself, and trying your best to move towards being a better person than before.